Welcome guys. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this EDM music in FL Studio. So let's start. Set tempo at 128 BPM. Add piano for chord, and add effect like parametric EQ2, stereo shaper, fruity chorus, fruity balance. Add pads, and add only parametric EQ2 for some low cut. I make bus channel for both, and add kickstart for sidechain. Both sounds like this. Now I used flex for lead, and without effects, it sounds like this. And now I added parametric EQ2, gross beat, fruity balance, tall filter 2. Reverb. Now it sounds like this. I used pitch automation to 1 octave down and create this automation. Now I added bassline, mid bass. Sub bass. And don't forget to do sidechain. Both sounds like this. Now time to make drum pattern. Kick. Clap. More clap with layer. Another clap on 2 and 4 bars. Big reverb clap. Percussion loop. Add crowd noise with sidechain. Add snare buildup with low volume. Don't forget to add FX. Like this. Now let's listen final result. And if you guys like my videos, please subscribe me.